I'm the product specialist for the Caterpillar small wheel loader family. I'm proud to stand here in front of you today and introduce you to what we truly believe is a revolutionary product. The machine you have in front of you today is the 938K small wheel loader. This is the largest machine in a 3-machine family. We have the 924K, 930K, and the machine here, the 938K. This is a revolutionary product from the front of the machine to the back of the machine. It looks very different from our predecessors on the H-Series, very successful H-Series wheel loaders. But straight away at the front of the machine, it's evident we've changed the linkage drastically. This linkage is a fully parallel, optimized Z-bar linkage. So this machine has been specifically designed to be very cross-utility, cross-applications. This optimized Z-bar linkage digs like a Z-bar, but handles like an IT or an integrated tool carrier machine. We have fully mechanical parallel lift throughout the whole range on this machine. The linkage design, as you see, with this new Z-bar system, we have actually pushed the lift cylinders, the same as our very successful Versalink linkage, in the vertical plane. This allows us to bring the torque tubes and all of the structure of the machine and the structure of the linkage much closer to the front frame and much higher up. This gives us excellent visibility looking down from the operator down to the fusion coupler, the Caterpillar fusion coupler, and then to any work tools. And it's been specifically designed for our customers here in Europe to allow us to use narrow width fork spacing, the likes of Euro pallets. On the front of the machine here, we have a new optimized design Performance Series bucket. Similar to my colleagues in the medium wheel loader group, we have a much longer floor, a much wider throat. We also, with the design of this linkage, we have optimized these work tools to work with the linkage. We haven't just designed work tools that fit, they're truly optimized. Just by this linkage and bucket configuration, compared to an H-Series machine with the same size bucket, we get 80% better fill factors on every pass. We get much better rack back angles, we get much easier to fill this bucket than any machine we've had before. If we move slightly forward on the machine, we still have, which is in this size class, an industry leader here in Europe, is this fully locking front axle differential. Like Henry was talking about, we can engage our 100% locking axles up to 10 kilometers an hour. They're fully protected. You can't, a new operator can't go wrong operating these machines. But it is the fact that this is engageable on the fly. This is standard, like on H-Series, on all machines in the range. I was saying this is a revolutionary product. The biggest change compared to the H-Series machines is the power shift, is the change from a power shift transmission to what is now a fully electronically controlled 4-range high stat. Unlike a passive system, this is fully electronically controlled, and this is the key to where we get our performance from on this new K-Series machine. The new 4-range high stat, all the pumps and motors are fully electronically monitored and controlled by a central ECM, or electronic control module. The electronic controls of this machine are taking information from the machine. This is all transparent to the operator. It's just happening in the background. It's measuring engine loads. It's measuring hydraulic loads. It's measuring loads on the transmission. The combination of all of that gives this the most efficient wheel loader we've ever built in this size class. Coupled to the 4-range electronic high stat is the new Caterpillar C6.6 Stage 3B engine. This engine, compared to our H-Series models, has been reduced in its maximum engine RPM from 2415 down to 1800. So this machine is limited to a maximum engine speed of 1800 RPM. The combination of the three the lower revving engine, the very efficient electronically controlled high stat, the new design of linkage, all three are controlled by what we call intelligent power management. This is a Caterpillar exclusive, it's covered by a trade secret. This is what makes this machine different from everything else on the market. And what we set out to build was the most efficient wheel loader in its size class. With using the three different components controlled by a single technology, we're able to get fuel savings of up to 30% compared to our last machine. This is an exceptionally fuel-efficient machine. Running the engine at low speeds also gives us a lot of advantages. By running everything slower, you have to have the componentry bigger to get the same power and the same flows as we're front linkage. So we're running everything much bigger, much slower, much cooler. So from a reliability and a durability standpoint, this machine is designed to last as long as we can make it. The other big change on this machine is we have a brand new operator station, or brand new cab. It is much wider, much deeper. Single piece curved glass giving a 40% better sweep on the windshield wiper, allowing much better visibility. We have auto temperature control, auto climate control, as standard. We have rear view cameras as standard. We have seat mounted EH-controlled joysticks as standard. This is a high-spec machine for high-spec customers. We can also de-spec the machine depending on application to suit a very basic concrete plant all the way through, as Andy was talking about, to quite a tech-savvy customer in the agriculture or the owner-operator market. We have a lot of options on this machine that allow us to serve a huge customer base very fuel efficiently. So I hope to talk to you all this afternoon when we're outside, but ladies and gentlemen, this is the K-Series small wheel loader. Thank you very much.